It's a city of profound spiritual significance and a popular destination of pilgrims and tourists. At the heart of the city lies the holy shrine of Imam Reza, one of the holiest sites in Islam. Around of Imam Reza's holy shrine, there are lots of stores where you can find a variety of souvenirs. These souvenirs not only serve as keepsakes but also reflect the rich cultural heritage of the region. Prayer beads are the most vital souvenirs in Mashhad. They are often made from natural materials like wood, semi-precious stones, or pearls, and serve as a reminder of one's prayers. Mashhad's bazaars offer delightful variety of spices like saffron, cumin, and turmeric. These spices add a touch of Nabat is a type of sweet made from water and sugar. Usually it is used for its healing properties in traditional medicine, for treating colds, anemia, increasing energy levels, stomachache, and other cases. Pilgrims and tourists can find traditional Iranian clothes such as scarves and tunics. These items not only showcase local fashion, but also serve as a stylish keepsakes to remember their visit to Mashhad. Zereshk is a sour small red fruit commonly used in Iranian cuisine. It is rich in antioxidants, vitamin C and fiber, making it beneficial for digestion and immune system support. Zereshk is also believed to have some properties and help lower cholesterol levels. Additionally, it has been used in traditional medicine to treat various ailments such as diarrhea and urinary tract infections. The Holy Shrine. There is another place known as Imam Reza Bazaar that is really popular and famous in Mashhad. In the next video, we want to introduce it for you. If you would like to know about our next videos, please subscribe to the channel and support us with likes and comments.